This is a gas heater. Our home that we live in has been around for a long time, and this, of course, this mantle here has really been around a long time. It used to be an old fireplace, but the gas heater was put in maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna have to say 60 years ago. This thing was probably sitting here when I was a child. But it's got a lot of dust, and that's the top of it that sits on top. I had been watching some YouTube videos about how a lot of the European countries are telling their citizens that they need to stock up on things for the winter and to prepare for electrical power outages, right? And also to prepare for, winter, the possibility of, the wars and everything affecting the availability of gas and power and stuff like that. When I say gas, I mean like natural gas that comes through, the little pipe that comes through to come to here. The gas that comes to our house comes from the road, and not comes from the road, but I don't have a tank outside. It's gas that's brought to us via the utility from the gas company via the pipes that run along the road and then up through to the house. So what I've been doing, I kind of cleaned out around this, and I decided to go ahead and see if I can get this thing going. But through there you would see the actual flame. I don't have it to where I can turn it on right now. I got to get this thing cleaned up real good. And anyway, that's the I don't know if you can read that, but this is Martin something. It's hard to read. But talking about caution, how hot it is and everything. But you can see dust in there. You see all that dust? So I'm taking the thing apart so that I can get in there and get all that dust out and clean it up. Because when I turn this thing on, I don't want it to just sit here and burn off the dust. I want this to be clean already. And that's where the little pilot light is. And there's some of the controls in the back, and you can tell how dusty and dirty this thing is. I haven't used it in a few years, but I'm thinking I need to just go ahead. Oh, I hear rain. You hear the rain? Okay. Well, anyway, I got a few things to correct on it. A few things to throw all the dust down in there. So I'll get it all cleaned up and get the dust all done. And then I'll get the gas company to turn the power back on. And then I'll be using this to heat the house. And it's really good, nice little gas heater. And once I get that done and get it going, of course I got the little Craftsman vacuum cleaner, little shop vac. How you like those hardwood floors? Hardwood floors, yeah. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'll talk to you later.